Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk about troubles that you have with your hair. Breakage is when hair literally breaks off close to the scalp. A lot of times it happens around your hairline or at the scalp, at the part, especially where there's a highlight, it'll happen. Anytime there's a lot of trauma to the hair, if you've had your hair relaxed or permed, you tend to get a lot of breakage. So how do you fix that? Well, the only way to fix that is to go in and to rebuild those keratin bonds. And in order to do that, you really need a protein-based deep conditioning treatment. And you need to do that consistently. You're also going to want to get a heavy-duty protein shampoo and conditioner. And if you use that consistently over time, the breakage should help. There are also products that you can get, that you can use, that will help with anti-breaking. You can spray them on prior to drying your hair. Thermal protectant products will also help because thermal protection and too much heat will cause the hair to break. Also, when you're pulling your hair back when wet, that's very bad because that's how you can get that breakage on that hairline. So don't pull your hair back in ponytails when it's wet. And to stop it, like I said, you're going to want to use a protein-based shampoo conditioner and a deep treatment at least once a week. If you continue using the protein and your hair starts to feel dry, then switch off to a moisturizing-based shampoo and conditioner and start using a deep conditioning treatment that's both a moisture balanced and has protein. And with that, that should be able to control your breakage.